Preventing data security attacks involves implementing a combination of technical, procedural, and educational measures to safeguard sensitive information. Here are essential strategies for preventing data security attacks. User education and awareness. Conduct regular cybersecurity training for employees to raise awareness about phishing attacks, social engineering, and safe online practices. Emphasize the importance of strong password management, avoiding suspicious links, and reporting any unusual activities. Strong authentication. Implement multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security beyond passwords. Require users to authenticate their identity through multiple methods, such as passwords, biometrics, or security tokens. Regular software updates and patching. Keep operating systems, software applications, and security tools up to date to address known vulnerabilities. Regularly apply security patches and updates to close potential entry points for attackers. Firewalls and intrusion prevention systems. Use firewalls to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic, preventing unauthorized access. Implement intrusion prevention systems to detect and block malicious activities in real time. Email filtering. Employ email filtering solutions to identify and block phishing attempts, malware-laden attachments, and suspicious links. Train users to recognize phishing emails and avoid clicking on potentially harmful links. Encryption. Implement end-to-end encryption for sensitive data during transmission and encrypt stored data to protect against unauthorized access. Use encryption protocols and technologies to secure communication channels. Access controls. Implement least privilege access principles, ensuring that users have the minimum level of access required to perform their job functions. Regularly review and update access permissions based on job roles and responsibilities. Data backups. Regularly back up critical data and test the restoration process to ensure data recovery in case of ransomware attacks or other data loss incidents. Store backups in a secure and isolated environment to prevent them from being compromised. Incident response plan. Develop and regularly test an incident response plan that outlines steps to take in the event of a security incident. Define roles and responsibilities, establish communication channels, and have a clear process for reporting and addressing incidents. Network segmentation. Segment your network to isolate sensitive systems and data from other parts of the network. This helps contain potential breaches and limit lateral movement by attackers. Security audits and monitoring. Conduct regular security audits and vulnerability assessments to identify and address potential weaknesses. Implement continuous monitoring for unusual activities and unauthorized access. Physical security. Secure physical access to data centers and server rooms to prevent unauthorized individuals from physically compromising infrastructure. Use surveillance and access controls to monitor and restrict entry. Compliance with regulations. Stay informed about and comply with relevant data protection and privacy regulations that apply to your industry and geographic location. Regularly audit and assess compliance with regulatory requirements. Supplier and third-party security. Vet and monitor the security practices of suppliers and third-party vendors who have access to your systems or handle your data. Include security requirements in contracts and agreements with third-party providers. By implementing these preventative measures and maintaining a proactive and vigilant approach to data security, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of data security attacks and better protect sensitive information. Regularly reassessing and updating security measures is essential in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity threats.